Do you have tons of vector art and templates saved on your computer, Behance, or Dribble, but have no idea what to do with them? Well, you are in the right place. Welcome to episode 4 of The Art of Selling Your Artwork and How to Do It, a series where I help you to turn your creative work into real income. In today's episode, we are going to set up our shop on Creative Market, one of the most popular platforms for selling digital design assets. It's where designers, developers, marketers, and brands go to buy high quality artwork. And yes, you can earn passively by putting your existing work out there. So, this video is for you if you have a collection of vector artwork or design templates, you are tired of relying only on freelance job or commissions, you want to make money online by doing what you love, you are ready to build a long-term income from your creative assets. We have already covered how to sell your art on Icon Scout and Gumroad in the last few episodes. If you missed them, go check them out too. But today it's all about creative market. So I will walk you through everything, how to set up your shop, what kind of artwork sell best, how to prepare and upload your files, and some useful tips to get noticed and start making sales. So let's dive in. First, go to the website of Creative Market. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Open a Shop, and you will see a layout that allows you to apply your become a shop owner. So just click the open a shop button to get started. Now we need to sign up. Here is an important tip. If you are a pro member on Dribble, you don't need approval to open a shop on Creative Market. Just sign up using your Dribble account and you can start selling your artwork right away. But if you are not a Dribble Pro member, you will need to go through the full application process to open a shop on Creative Market. So in this case, I'll sign up using my Gmail account. After signing up, you will be redirected back to Creative Market landing page. Now click on the Open a Shop button again. This will take you to a form where you need to request approval to open a shop. Start by carefully filling out all the required details such as your name, categories, your plan to sell in, and a link to your portfolio. If you already have shops on other platforms, be sure to include those links and platform names. This can help speed up your approval process. And next, you will be asked to provide a bit of information about yourself. What motivates you to sell your art on this platform? Click the down arrow and select the most suitable option. Describe your experience level as an online seller and share your plan for marketing your product. Read each option carefully and choose the one that best fits your situation. Finally, check the agreement box and click submit to complete your application. So you will receive an email from Creative Market to confirm your identity. So just go to your inbox and complete the verification process. Once that's done, and if you have filled out the form correctly, you will most likely get approved to open the shop on Creative Market. Next step is setting up your Creative Market profile. Go to the website, click on the account button at the top right corner, select my profile, and then click on the edit profile settings. Fill in the required details like name, username, your bio, social media links, and you can connect your Dribble Facebook account, etc. And additional information as well like location, profession, etc. After entering all the information, click update setting to save. This should be enough to complete your profile setup. So now let's add your first product. So click on the add a product button on the top right corner and start uploading. To upload the product, we will start by adding the product title. a clear product title. And then we will upload the showcase thumbnails. So in the previous video, we already learned how to create thumbnails for Gumroad. It's the same process here. The only difference is the size. So I won't repeat the steps, just upload the thumbnails I have created already. But if you are still unsure how to make them, go check out my previous episode for the full walkthrough. Once the thumbnails are uploaded, the next step is to write a product description that clearly explains what's included. After adding the description, you will see what I have included for my vector illustration files. Use that as a reference to write your own description. It can give you a good idea of what to include. Next, we will upload the product as a zip file. Then choose your product type and set a suggested price. I'm leaving it as it is, but feel free to adjust it based on your product's value. Now add the appropriate property and type categories that match your product. Don't forget to include relevant tags. It helps people find your product when they search for similar content. Once everything is filled in, go to the top left corner next to the Creative Market logo. You can either save your product as a draft if you want to publish it later, or click live and save to publish it immediately and make it available for sale. If you want to let your followers know about your new product, just click on Update Followers and follow a few recommended shops. A box will pop up showing your new product. Simply enter your product name again, write a short message encouraging your followers to check it out, and then hit post. That's it. Your first product is now live and shared with your audience. Now, here are some useful tips if you are planning to open a shop on Creative Market. So first tip is use SEO keyword in your product title and description. So think like your buyer. Okay, if your illustration related to yoga women vector file, so write just yoga women vector. It's better than if you're writing it cool illustration or funky illustration. And second tip is create in-demand themes. Research current trends and create illustration based on that. And third tip is mockups matter. Then show your product in use on cards, on t-shirt, website or posters. Step 4. Bundle smartly. So a set of 20 illustrations will sell better than just one, right? And tip 5. Promote off platform. Share your product on Instagram, Pinterest or Gumroad with a link to your shop. Okay, and lastly, bonus tip. Add your personal brand touch. People love buying from artists they feel connected to. So Creative Market is more than just uploading your work. It's about thinking like a digital shop owner. Package your work professionally, stay on top of trends and upload consistently. So don't wait for someone to hire you. Upload what you have already. So give it a name and start selling today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you are start uploading, tag me. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.